Preparing for AP Special DSC 2026, this topic learning disabilities is very important. I have brought 10 MCQs that many students get wrong. Try to answer before I reveal. Let's start. Learning disability is mainly related to A. Physical growth, B. Emotional disturbance, C. Processing of information, D. Social behavior. Answer is C. Processing of information. A child with normal intelligence but difficulty in reading is called A. Dysgraphia, B. Dyslexia, D. Dyscalculia, D. Autism. Answer is B. Dyslexia. Difficulty in writing is known as A. Dyslexia, B. Dyscalculia, C. Dysgraphia, D. ADHD. Answer is C. Dysgraphia. Which is the following is related to difficulty in mathematics? A. Dyslexia, B. Dyscalculia, C. Dysgraphia, D. Aphasia. B. Dyscalculia. Learning disabilities are due to low intelligence, B. Permanent inability to learn, C. Neurological in nature, D. Caused by poor teaching only. Answer is C. Neurological in nature. Which act recognizes specific learning disabilities in India? A. RTE Act, B. NCF, C. RPW Act 2016, D. NEP 2020. Answer is RPW Act 2016. A child reverses letters like B like D, P like Q. This indicates A. Dysgraphia, B. Dyscalculia, D. ADHD, D. Autism, B is dyslexia. Learning disabilities mainly affect A. Intelligence, B. Academic skills, C. Physical strength, D. Hearing ability, B. Academic skills. Best teaching strategy for the children with learning disability. A. Punishment, B. Fast teaching, D. C. Multisensory approach, D. Ignoring mistakes, C. Multisensory approach. ADHD mainly affects A. Reading, B. Writing, C. Attention, D. Hearing, C. Attention. Learning disabilities are A. Due to low intelligence, B. Due to laziness, C. Not related to intelligence, D. Temporary problems. Answer is C. Not related to intelligence. Which is the common sign of dyslexia? A. Good handwriting, B. Letter confusion, C. Fast reading, D. Strong memory, B. Letter confusion. Early identification of LD helps in A. Ignoring the child, B. Better intervention, C. Punishment, D. Failure. Answer is B. Better intervention. A child who confuses B, D and reads slowly likely has D. Dysgraphia, D. Dyscalculia, D. Dyslexia, D. ADHD, C. Dyslexia. Which statement is correct? A. LD children are not intelligent. B. LD is permanent but manageable. D. LD can be cured completely. D. LD is due to poor teaching only. LD is permanent but manageable. Writing difficulty with poor spacing indicates B. Dyslexia, dysgraphia, C. ADHD, D. Memory loss. Answer is B. Dysgraphia. The term learning disabled was introduced by A. Skinner, B. Piaget, C. Crick, D. Burner. Answer is Crick. Samuel Crick introduced the term. A child who cannot understand numbers and calculations is suffering from dyslexia, B. Dysgraphia, C. Dyscalculia, D. Dysphagia. Answer is C. Dyscalculia. Best strategy for children with learning disabilities: A. Punishment, B. Ignoring, C. Positive reinforcement, D. Strict discipline. Answer is C. Positive reinforcement. Children with learning disability generally have A. Low IQ, B. Average or above IQ, C. No intelligence, D. Only emotional issues. Answer is B. Average or above IQ. Learning disabilities mainly affect A. Physical growth, B. Social behavior, C. Academic skills, D. Hearing ability. Answer is C. Academic skills. Oral reading and writing disabilities are called dyslexia, and dysgraphia. Answer is dysgraphia. LD is A. Temporary, B. Permanent but manageable, C. Curable completely, D. Due to laziness. Answer is B. Permanent but manageable. Early signs of LD: A. Fast learning, B. Poor spelling, C. High memory, D. Good handwriting. Answer is B. Poor spelling. A child avoids reading tasks. This indicates A. Intelligence, B. Interest, C. Possible LD, D. Talent. Answer is C. Possible LD. Poor handwriting with spacing issues indicates dyslexia, B. Dysgraphia, C. ADHD, D. Blindness. Answer is B. Dysgraphia. Slow reading and poor comprehension is A. Dyslexia, B. Dysgraphia, C. Dyscalculia, D. Hearing loss. Answer is A. Dyslexia. Breaking tasks into small steps helps A. Teachers only, B. LD students, C. Parents only, D. None. Answer is B. LD students, learning disability students. LD is not related to A. Brain, B. Learning, C. Intelligence, D. Processing. Answer is C. Intelligence. And thank you for watching. Follow for more updates. I will share more topics, more information, and more MCQs. Thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe.